All right, guys, this is the VOLREX multifunction work light, camping light, whatever you want to call it, from Amazon. I just paid 15 bucks for this and figured I'd show you guys what comes with it and everything. It's a small box, measures about 5 inches long. Try to keep you on camera here. And basically, here's the light, and it comes with the cord. So, small USB cord. I would say that's about, let's see, got about 20 inches for the cord, so it gives you enough space to plug it in somewhere. And here's the light. And looks like it can obviously be positioned many ways. That's pretty helpful. It's got a little charging port on the side. If I could get that thing off. Yep, as you can see, there's the mini USB charging port. It's got an indicator for the battery level. And then you have your button on the side here. You got a plus and minus, so you can increase or decrease the brightness. Got some magnets on the back to stick it on the side of something. And then it's just an on-off. There's the flashlight. And then you got your work light. And you can make it a little bit dimmer, a little bit brighter. You have a red light and then a flashing red light, which I think is pretty cool. I don't know what you'll ever use that for, but let's see how the magnets work. I got my toolbox here. We'll stick it to the side. And I'm just going to give it a little tug. Oh, actually, that's a pretty strong magnet, I'm not going to lie. So this is pretty good. Wow. I bought this just to work, you know, to have a good work light for dark areas, and I think this was a really good purchase. And another thing is it came completely charged, which you don't find a lot of times. So for 15 bucks, I think this is completely worth it. I think it's a really cool little work light, and I am excited to use it. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't to the channel. I'm going to try to keep doing a lot of these reviews and videos pertaining to springtime stuff, a lot of yard stuff and things like that. So thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. Stay safe out there.